This is going to be our movement for the day on our Euro GBP. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do well to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single update. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Now, let's see what Euro GBP will be giving us for the day once the market opens. So we have actually done a weekly analysis for you guys on Euro GBP. If you have not watched it, it will be best you go back to the channel so you watch it and understand what markets will be doing for us this week. Now, let's start with our trend on Euro GBP. You can clearly see that we are in a downtrend move. It is very clear that market is trending to the downside. This is a strong bearish move, right? Also, when you go to your weekly time frame, you can also see that the trend also is on a downtrend. Now, back to our daily time frame, we can see something like this, our low, which is the first low, and here is the lower high. You can clearly see that there is a series of lower low and a lower high, then a series of lower low and a lower high, then one more low, lower low, and here comes the lower high, right? Now that this is the lower high, we are expecting market to drop again. See, it is able to give us a new lower low, so a bearish move one more time, what we are going to be expecting on Euro GBP, and that bearish move should take out this low. So guys, new low is what we are expecting on our Euro GBP. So must sell is what we are going to be anticipating for on Euro GBP. Now let's take a look at it on this 4-hour time frame. We can say that this year is also selling, market is also selling, right? So expect market to pull back to fully tap this level of 0.86 0.86764. I repeat, we expect market to come push up a little bit to tap a level of 0.86764. Once it taps the level there and one more drop, you're most likely going to play out again. So above all, for the day, we are going to be expecting Euro GBP to give us a bearish move for the day. So more updates will be covered on this. So all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.